What a gorgeous day it is here on the Isle of Wight. I'd like to just take this opportunity to give a shout out to Lone Star Mini in Texas and his daughter, who is a genius when it comes to identifying classic Mini panels. I do like this one. It works. Anyway, please go and check out Lone Star Mini. I'll leave a link somewhere. Right, where's my sunglasses? That looks gack. That looks okay. I must admit, when I got hold of this Mini the first time round, that dent was a lot worse. I managed to pull it out as far as I could. I guess the important bit is to get rid of that dent, isn't it? In a straight line. If that's good, and that's savable, I can't see the point of replacing those bits. Right, I think the best thing to do, take the paint off, then we can see what's what. Hang on. Is that what I think it is? That looks like one of those tapered washers that goes behind the hinges. How on earth did that end up in the seals? All the way, particularly this part of the seal. Ah, cool. I'll add that to the spares pile.
Right entry, 100, into chicane, right entry.
Way off. Close, but not good enough, because that would look terrible if I just splattered that on. You've got an anvil, haven't you? Yeah, you're not a real man unless you have an anvil in your shed. You know that, don't you?
I've got a delivery today, which is good. A bit premature, but it's one of those bits of kit I've got to have. So yeah, it's an SOS board, but it's a double-sided one. The sales pitch is that it makes it almost impossible to get it wrong. So SOS. Okay.